Hi, Derek here from eracarpentry.com.au. In today's episode we cover the differences between building and renovation quotes, and if you are really comparing apples with apples or apples with oranges.
Where's my chippy? Where's my chippy? Chippy, 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 chippy. Where's my chippy? Where's my chippy? Chippy, 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 chippy. Where's my chippy? Where's my chippy? Chippy, 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 chippy. Where's my chippy? Where's my chippy? Chippy, 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 chippy. There's my chippy.
Sometimes we hear from clients and we love these old golden chestnuts. The other builder said the cost would be less than what you have quoted. Or we got a cheaper quote elsewhere. Or simply, that is more than I was expecting. At New Era Carpentry and Building, we don't like paying more than we have to, and don't think you should have to either. What we do want is to make sure you are comparing apples and apples.